So did you just get a new laptop and you're trying to get more storage without adding external hard drives or NAS and other unreliable methods of adding storage? Chances are, if your laptop is new, you can upgrade it using an additional NVMe drive or upgrade your existing one. In today's video, we're going to be covering how to add an additional disk to your laptop. I've got a Samsung 960 EVO that I'm migrating from my old laptop to the new laptop, but even if you got it new, it should be the same procedure. So after extracting it from my old laptop, which is right here, let's get into the new laptop. Now remember that when you're opening a brand new laptop, it will be really well sealed. So you have to take care of slowly prying it open after removing all the screws. Once you're in the new laptop, you need to find the additional M.2 slot, which if your laptop is bought within the last couple of years, it is likely to have, or you can do a quick Google search to find out how many slots does it have. If you have a SATA slot, you can just add a SATA disk or an SSD. My old laptop had it configured in one NVMe and one SATA, and that was it. But my new laptop, which you see back there, has only 2 NVMe slots, no more SATA, because it has a big 90 watt-hour battery. Alright then, how to get it installed? Start by removing the captive screw which is already installed on the motherboard. Just take the NVMe, face it up, push it in so that the golden pins are not visible. It can only go in one way. And then use a Phillips head screwdriver to screw it in. Once it's nice and secure, don't over tighten it or anything. Just put the back panel on, screw all the screws in. Remember which ones go where. In my case, some of the screws are longer than the others and some short. So I've laid it out in a way that I can remember which one came from where. Then once in, boot into Windows. It should boot up to your original disk. For installing your brand new SSD, all you need to do is just right click here, disk management. Now, yours might not look like this. This is the disk I inserted, the Samsung. To check it, I can just go to Properties, Hardware, Samsung SSD, Properties, Volume, Populate. You can see that's the NVMe drive. But because I took it out of my old laptop, it looks like this. Let me show you how it looks like if it was a brand new drive. Should also be erasing it. So disk part, list disk. There you go. It's the disk 1, 465 GB. Select disk 1, clean. And be careful when you press enter. It's gonna be gone. Bang. If you got a new disk, this is where you start. Just right click, initialize disk, GPT, press OK. Right click, new simple volume. Just let it be the maximum amount. Assign a drive letter. I'm gonna put S for Samsung. You can choose any of it you want. Samsung NVMe. And then hit next and finish. There you go. We go now. We got an S drive that is fully encrypted with BitLocker, ready to rock and roll. There you have it. This one's working. 30 gigabytes being copied. Look at that number down here. Oh my god. We're writing at 900 megabytes, almost a gigabyte per second. Copying all of CSGO in less than a minute, I feel like. Damn, that's fast. And that's just Gen 3 NVMe SSD. So really you should question yourself, do you really need Gen 4 or this is fast enough? Anyway guys, that's how you upgrade or add storage to your existing laptop or a brand new one, and have plenty more space for your games, software, etc., whatever you're trying to use the storage for. And with this NVMe, it's gonna be lightning fast. Anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell just down there. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.